Welcome to Foxtech. Today I'll show you how to add social media icons like Instagram or Twitter to your YouTube videos using just your iPhone. If you're looking to display your social media profiles in a clean, professional way, there are a few different approaches you can take. Let's explore how you can make it happen directly on your iPhone. If you want to do all your editing directly on your iPhone, a video editor like CapCut is a great option. CapCut allows you to layer videos and images, meaning you can add a social media icon like the Instagram logo and animate it to appear, slide in from the side, or fade out. You can use CapCut's keyframe feature to create movement for the icon, so it doesn't just sit there statically. It'll look like a professional animation. Just import an image of the icon and add text with your handle below it, customizing the animation to your style. Another option is to download a social media animation that's been created with a green screen background. Many online resources offer pre-made animations for social media icons, and if you find one, you can use CapCut to remove the green background. To do this, import the green screen animation into CapCut, use the Chroma Key tool to remove the green, and the icon will look clean and polished without any green behind it. Of course, if you want to go even further with editing, it's often easier to work on a computer where you can download more detailed templates and animations. But if you're strictly editing on your iPhone, CapCut offers everything you need to add your social media icons directly to your video. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you add social media icons to your YouTube videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtech for more helpful tips. See you later.